Lola Mercy's two grandchildren often miss school. Her income from selling snacks isn't enough to cover their daily needs. But since joining the Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program or 4Ps in 2023, life has become a little easier for Lola Mercy.
Maliliit pa lang yan sila, iniwan na sa akin. Minsan walang baon sila kaya hindi ko napapapasok.
Dati.
Ngayon? Ngayon, araw-araw na ako na lang ang problema pag-gising. Dito ako kumukuha ng pag-budget namin sa baon ng mga bata sa school.
The Department of Social Welfare and Development under the administration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. assured continuous support for 4Ps beneficiaries. More than 4 million members receive monthly government assistance. 750 pesos for health subsidies, 600 pesos for rice, and 300 to 700 pesos in educational allowance for children.
Kapag po hindi malulusog ang mga bata, nawawalan po sila ng oportunidad para magkaroon ng magandang kinabukasan. Nakakaapekto ito sa kanilang pag-aaral at sa kanilang productivity. Kung kaya nga po, sabi ko, namumuhunan talaga tayo sa edukasyon at kalusugan.
These efforts are part of the government's strategy to ease poverty and reduce the hunger rate. According to the latest Social Weather Stations poll, around 14.4 million Filipinos identify themselves as poor in March, higher than in January and February. The hunger rate also rose to 27.2% in March, up from 21.2% in February. Despite this, the DSWD remains hopeful living conditions will improve this April and in the coming months. The agency is expanding its Walang Gutom project in Visayas and Mindanao. From just 1,000 beneficiaries in 2023, the program has now helped over 300,000 people, providing hot meals to the poorest families and street dwellers. More jobs and health services are also being rolled out under Bagong Pilipinas. It aims to provide decent work to those who have graduated from the 4Ps program. The DSWD is also on standby for individuals affected by typhoons, disasters, or crises. The agency provides up to 3,000 pesos in financial assistance through the Assistance to Individuals in Crisis Situation program.
In terms of improving or reducing poverty incidents in our country and reducing hunger incidents. Marami po tayong mga na-i-register na merong mga bagong trabaho. So, I think that matches na rin yung lumalabas na percentage na bumababa yung bill ng mga unemployed.
So far, 700,000 families have exited or graduated from the 4Ps program after improving their living conditions. Currently, the DSWD is reviewing whether to increase the financial aid for current 4Ps members and reassessing if the current amount still meets their needs. Sharms Espina from PTV Manila for Balitang Pambansa.